Hi, this is John Modlin, Senior Systems Engineer for Profitap in North America. You might have seen some of my videos on the Profitap capture analysis visibility sensors like the IOTA that I did last year. Since then, IOTA has a new version of software. We're on 2.x now, and with that came some restructured APIs. Last year, I showed how to write a batch program and access those APIs. And now what I'm doing is I've written a program in PowerShell, because this is kind of the standard for sysadmins and netadmins to do automation and control for your network peripherals. And I thought you might like to see that better. Now, it's a very basic program, just does some functions, and I created a menu for you to take a look at that you can see here. Now, up here I have being able to view certain statuses about the device, and then options here which update or interrupt traffic. So those are in red, and then Q to quit. And over here is the code, and you can see here the code is, not complicated. Here's my menu set up here, and I'm scrolling through it so you can take a look at it. Getting your IP address, getting your user password, and then down here the function for actually doing the command. Now, what I did was the invoke web request commandlet within PowerShell to access the IOTA, and I built the authorization headers using basic credentials. That way you can just use username and password. You don't have to mess with tokens or any of that stuff. And then here's the menu selections here, and then down here, I get my IP, get my username and password, run my invoke. I'll pause it so you can take a look at it, and then it just runs the menu until you decide you want to quit. So it's, a fairly simple program. So if I run it here, I want to view a network configuration, for example, of an IOTA that's on the network, just default credentials here. And then I come back with my network configuration on that device. It just works. I can update the device from the cloud. I can reboot it, shut it down, factory reset it, and I can get all this information. And this is handy if you've got a device that you have remote that you want to access. For some reason you don't want to go through the menu system on it. You just want a little information. I can tell what the status of my lights are on the front, which tells me a lot on an IOTA. I can tell, is it capturing? Is it not capturing? Is it in a failed state? Is there some kind of problem? So those lights tell us quite a bit. And I see I have two green lights. One is flashing. That tells me that the IOTA is currently capturing data. So you can find API information about the IOTAs on iota.profitap.com. Here's the API folder, latest. Here's APIs. Here's system APIs that you can check and see what do they do under the hood. So you can start programming your own. I hope this video has helped you on your way to write some of your own API access scripts, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.